everyone. Please raise your hand. Oh my God. This is the last semi-final. Let me call them in alphabetical order. This is the order that will also remain when we start the quiz. Give it up for Devaya Bopanna.
Oh, what's up?
Devaya had a relatively easier quarterfinal yesterday, but is up for a much tougher competition today, I guess. I'm welcoming Kanan Gill now, second participant of the semi.
Good evening and a shubh evening to everyone, and I hope you're well. And I'm willing to do what it takes to get to the next level. Just putting it out there.
Kanan scraped through the his quarterfinal yesterday
By the skin of my teeth.
Yeah, Malika Dua, everyone, come on, give it up for Malika. Malika Dua. Malika had.
I only have to start it. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Malika did really well in the quarterfinal, won with a very handsome margin, and she's here. She's vying for cuteness and excitement points. She's not getting them. Let's see how much she scores in this semi-final.
तो फिर मैं क्या करूँगा?
हाँ देखो.
Calling the
म्यूरल लेके आए हैं ये तो पीछे.
वो खुद वही है. Welcoming the fourth and the last semi-finalist and last semi-finalist of the last semi-final, the other Dua in the quiz, Rahul Dua.
Rahul.
Come on.
आ गया. है ही नहीं.
Okay, then let's begin. There's a lot of chat
तो ये तो
support.
चश्मे पहन के आए.
Malika
I'm full prepared.
and yeah, basically a lot of support for all of you.
0.5 for cosmetics.
Yeah, though, like he's taking a video from when he's in hiding, and he's sending a statement to the government. But stark white light, sunglasses, globe in the background, which the detective has used to crack the case of कहाँ पर है ये आदमी.
Yeah, 1 point to Kanan for his attempt at deducing where Dua is.
अरे बेंच में चश्मा पहन के आया कोई.
और मैं तो ब्लश लगा के आई हूँ तेरे क्विज के लिए. मुझे भी दे पॉइंट्स से.
Welcome to the game. This is how.
0.5 for hydration.
Okay, let's begin. Let's begin the quiz. Start with Devaya. This is the first question of the group. The Ramon Magsaysay Award is named after a former president of which Southeast Asian country? Okay, Ramon Magsaysay Award. We know a lot of Indians have won it in the past, including Ravish Kumar, who won it. One of the latest Indian winners. Kejriwal has won it earlier, etc., etc., etc. But this award is named after a former president of a certain country. Okay, or some people call it the Asian Nobel. It's that prestigious. And it's named after Ramon Magsaysay, of course, as the name suggests. Ramon Magsaysay essentially was the former president of which Southeast Asian country?
Can I just say that the original name of the award was the Top Ramon, but they later changed it to the Ramon Magsaysay Award.
0.5. Any noodles reference during lockdown should get some points. 0.5 to Kanan.
Philippines.
Philippines is correct. The Philippines, 10 points to Devaya. Philippines, that's the Ramon Magsaysay Award. That's the medal, and that is Ramon Magsaysay. And Philippines is correct. We're going to Kanan now.
Southeast Asia बोला था ना, मैं Middle East ही सोच रहा था for some reason.
Yeah.
No points for being bad with directions. To the next question, this is Kanan's direct. Which term, originally the name of a fanatical sect, is derived from the Arabic description of a consumer of hashish? Okay.
क्या एक बार हिंदी में समझाओ इसको सारा?
हाँ, एटिमोलॉजी क्वेश्चन है. एक टर्म है जो हम लोग अभी यूज करते हैं अपनी अभी आज की अंग्रेजी में, जिसका ओरिजिन ये है कि एक टाइम पे एक बहुत ही फैनेटिकल सेक्ट हुआ करता था, लड़ना वड़ना मारना और लड़ाई करना और ये वो, और उनका नाम इसलिए आया था क्योंकि अरेबिक में जो भी इंसान हशीश कंज्यूम करता था, खाता था, उसके लिए उनके पास एक वर्ड था, हशीश.
It's actually Hashish Shakya is the term.
I knew someone will say.
You knew, no? Okay.
0.5 to Kanan for.
Thank you. धीरे धीरे करके little drops of water make a mighty ocean. The answer is assassin.
The answer is correct. It is assassin. People who used to consume hashish were known as hashashin, and that eventually led to assassin. Okay. Going to Malika now because Kanan got assassin. Talking of Indian history now. Which nationalist leader was arrested in 1908 for supporting the extremist cause in the Marathi paper Kesari? Okay. So there is a famous nationalist leader, a part of Indian national independence movement. He was accused by the British that you are supporting extremist cause by your articles and publication of a particular Marathi paper called Kesari. Which flag are we talking about?
It is not Ajay Devgan.
It's not Ajay. It's
Just
not-
double checking. Sorry, just clarifying.
I would have given
Marathi.
points if you said Akshay Kumar because he was there in Kesari.
No, the Kadalo Zuban Kesari, the ad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. 0.5 to Kanan. 0.5. My bad. Completely missed the gutka joke there. Completely missed it. Extra point for dental hygiene. Whenever Malika is ready.
So it's either. I'm very confused. Can I say either and then?
No, you
arrive
can't
at
do
the answer?
either. Think
Please
of
do either the other answer in case it's not right.
But Marathi है, Punjabi नहीं है. So it's not Lala ji. It's Tilak Saab. I think.
what is the final answer?
Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
It is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Full
Smashed
10.
it, bro.
Famous Marathi.
ओ भाई साहब सभी ने आंसर दे दिया यार, ये तो बहुत खराब हो गया.
Everyone got their right answer with huge pressure on Rahul Dua, but I think he liked the question because he's an engineer, he's a science student, and the next question is from the world of science, from basically NCERT books from our school. According to Mohs scale of hardness, is the softest mineral.
अरे घर आओ.
According to the Mohs scale of hardness,
Oh.
which is the softest mineral. So we all know.
मेरा
मोह
ego.
के धागे.
0.5 to Dua for wordplay and Bollywood references.
Which one? Oh, this one.
It
only.
is Momo ke dhage. According to the Mohs scale of hardness, which is the softest mineral. So
That would be माँ के हाथ की रोटी.
0.5 to Kanan for lockdown nostalgia.
Hey, KV, I stay in Powai, like neighborhood point, something like that. Like 0.5.
Devaya got 0.5 because I can literally see his house from where I'm conducting the quiz. So yeah.
This is fucked up. तो मेरे हाथ पे soft है. Most scale of softness से दे दे यार.
Okay, ठीक है. 0.5 to Malika.
Thanks.
Consistency. And the more time Dua takes, more points other people get. That's
अब मुझे नहीं आता यार ये सवाल.
okay. Pass.
हाँ पास.
Passing to
अच्छा एक
Devaya.
रैंडम गैस मारना है ना, गैस
हाँ.
मारना.
Please. Highly encouraged.
According to Mohs scale of hardness, which is the softest mineral. मुझे तो मिनरल ही नहीं पता. यार पास कर दो, मेरे को आता नहीं मिनरल ऐसे.
ठीक है.
ज्यादा वेस्ट
Passing to Devaya.
It's about Bisleri water.
No. Going.
Aluminium, whatever. No.
Do you have a guess, Devaya?
No.
Okay. Going to Kanan.
Is it graphite?
Not graphite. Going to Malika.
Fuck.
Teddy bear.
No. Okay. I'll take one more round. This is the 5-point question now. Okay. The hint is think powders.
हैं?
Think powder. घर वाले.
Talcum powder.
हाँ वो hint है. So according to Mohs scale of hardness, which is the softest mineral.
Talcum powder में क्या पड़ता है? Talcum powder में talcum पड़ता है.
No comment. I'm giving you a chance to improve your whatever you're saying and give me the final answer.
भैया जी no idea, बिल्कुल talcum powder में क्या पड़ता है, बिल्कुल
ठीक है.
zero.
To Devaya.
No. Pass.
Okay. Passing to Kanan.
Is it calcium?
No. Passing to Malika.
Jeez.
Talcumium.
2.5 to Malika for
It's not sure.
So
What
why
is
were
awarding
they?
points
तो
for?
बस दे point.
I would like to give
किसी को नहीं
0.5 to
करना.
KV for justification.
Okay, Dua was so close to the answer, but it just didn't say. Talcum powder, the word comes from this answer. I'm giving 2 to Dua for at least saying talcum. The answer is talc. And
Wait, talcum powder is a mineral.
talc is a mineral, and
मुझे
from
पता ही नहीं था talc is a mineral.
Even
Yeah,
I didn't know talc is a
it's a
mineral.
Yeah, I had no idea.
used
तुम
in
लोग तो साइंसिस होती ना.
मुझे सबसे मुश्किल
ये
सवाल
सब नहीं
पूछा,
पढ़ाते
सबसे-
science में।
सबसे हो गया. 2 चक्कर लगवा दिए, ये सवाल का जवाब नहीं आया. बताओ.
आ जाओ बच्चों बैठ जाओ. आज हम पढ़ेंगे टैल्क के बारे में.
Talc. Yeah, actually मेरे को भी नहीं यार talc कौन सा mineral था.
talc is the softest mineral. That's why it's used in powder, etc. And that's why it's called talcum powder. 2 points
Understood.
Dua, and that's why the next direct will be Devaya's because Dua got points. In which bird family would you find the species screech, shivering, and great horned? Okay, so screech dash, shivering dash, great horn dash are all types of which bird? Okay, which bird? Do
Noisy
you
birds.
Huh? Noisy.
Noisy birds.
Yeah, 0.5 for taking screech very literally. 0.5 for Dua. In which bird family would you find species Screech, Shivering, and Great Horn?
Jatayu.
Yeah,
Hornbill.
Jatayu, mythological bird. That is correct.
Hornbill.
Not hornbill. Going to Kanan.
Is it sparrow?
Not sparrows. Going to Malika.
Vulture.
Not vulture. Going to Rahul.
Flying bird family.
Not flying bird family. Okay, I'm making it 5 now, and going to Devaya once more. Okay, think nights. Night is a hint. Think
Owl.
nocturne. Okay, yeah, owl is correct. 5 points to Devaya.
Literally the
ये
only,
hint थी तेरी.
Yeah.
the only bird you know.
Think
ये
owl.
दार्जिलिंग है कल का.
Think owl.
It's a great horned owl. That is a great horned owl on the screen right now.
Arre, he's from the Sharma family. I didn't know what kind of answer you were looking for. Sorry. Singhani and Malhotra group of industry.
Devaya gets 5. I go to Kanan now. Kanan's direct. Kanan, this is Indian religious history question. Who is supposed to have founded the 4 mutts in 4 corners of India at Sringeri, Puri, Dwarka, and Badrinath? So this individual is supposed to have founded 4 mutts in 4 corners of India: Badrinath in the north, Dwarka in the west, Puri in the east, and Sringeri in the south. Who are we talking about?
This individual,
Yeah, who is this guy? Yeah, who is this person? Who is
this mythological individual.
not mythological? It's after mythology. It's history actually.
ये स्वामी वामी टाइप है ना कोई?
Huh. Yeah, good track.
Sure.
Rahul is on good track.
Man, I've been to Badrinath. I should have really paid attention, but I was too busy sulking when my parents were. I was like, "Ghar chalte hain, yaar."
Hey, you lost 10 points.
Oh man, I can't believe. Yeah, I should just pay more attention on family vacation. Okay, Badrinath. I've been there. What's there? They have hot springs. Okay. It's in the mountains. Ramayan was supposed to be written near there. Swarg Ka Rasta is there, where the Pandavas are supposed to have walked to heaven. So, with all this information, it's true.
Yeah.
There's a village there where they're like, yeah, Swarg Ka Rasta yahan par hai, and
Yeah,
it goes to
Valley of
China.
Flowers, yes.
It goes to China actually. Yeah, it's near Hemkund Sahib. That's where you're going first. All right. So my answer is going to be Ved Vyas.
Point.
जो भी सही आंसर दे करण को दे दो नंबर सारे.
Yes, thank you, please.
बहुत बढ़िया
Point.
आंसर दिया.
Malika, who founded the 4 mutts?
मेरे हिसाब से जिन्होंने 4 मैथ्स का फाउंड किया है वो है मिस्टर पाइथागोरस.
Wow. Okay. 0.5. Yes.
उनके
0.5.
3 मैथ थे actually.
Definitely 0.5.
हाँ क्या करना है मेरे पे आ गया?
नहीं. मलिका, आप कोई गेस ले
अच्छा
रहे हो?
ओ नहीं ओके वेट. पूरी द्वारका बद्रीनाथ ये कौन थे भाई? चाणक्य.
नहीं. दुआ. Sorry, Rahul.
हाँ. एक गैस ले लेते हैं, है ना? शंकराचार्य.
100%. That is the right answer.
Adi Shankaracharya.
Adi Shankaracharya. And that is why
ओ भाई
till date, like
साहब,
every
मुझे
mutt
एक
has
स्वामी का नाम पता था बस.
हेलो.
Adi Shankaracharya. He revived Hinduism, and one of his biggest contribution is he traveled all over India, revived the Sanatan Dharma, and like instituted mutts. And till date, like most big mutts have someone who is called Shankaracharya, which means the next question goes to Devaya Bopanna. Devaya, which 1965 film was based on the work The Story of the Trapp Family Singers by Austrian-born writer Maria Augusta Kuchera? Okay, so we're talking about a legend, like very famous 1965 film, and the clue is in the name of the book also. The Story of the Trapp Family Singers, and it was written by an Austrian writer called Maria Augusta Kuchera. What famous film are we talking about? Let's see if Devaya knows it. Which movie, which 1965 film?
If he doesn't, then मुझे भी मालूम है. Lots of pressure, Devaya.
Mary Poppins.
Not Mary Poppins.
Yes.
I go to Kanan.
Woo! It's the Sound of Music.
It is Sound of Music. Sound of Music.
That was my other guess.
Kanan gets it right. It is Sound of Music. Okay, next up, I go to Malika. Okay, which fish, a popular delicacy in India, gets its name from the Portuguese word for fish? Okay, so as we know, there are a lot of Portuguese influence in India and otherwise in the world also. But there's a certain type of fish which is a very like popular delicacy in India. It's not a very unknown type.
Like
of
it's
fish.
a cooked fish or
No.
a species of fish.
Yeah, a type of fish, not really a cooked fish, but a type of fish.
No, it exists in nature cooked.
पागल, is it a preparation or a species?
When you fish it, you're like, अरे तो fry हो क्या?
No, it's not a.
ये तो
How confident?
करी निकली है बात.
And the fish का नाम comes from Portuguese word for fish. If I,
Wait,
yeah, those are the clues. It's a food plus biology plus etymology question. Think of all the food, all the kinds of fish that you encounter in restaurants and otherwise, and then think which one fits this.
can I say the names of fish?
Just
Or
one
am I
name.
allowed?
Think of one, and go for it. Like Dua went for Shankaracharya.
Pomfret?
Beautiful answer. It is pomfret. 10 points.
Fantastic.
Pomfret it is. I think in Portuguese fish is called pompo or popo or something, and from there gradually it like changed to pomfret. Pomfret is correct. Next question is for Rahul. This is we're going back to history, but relatively recent history. Established in 1993 by Hermann Göring, how is the Geheim Staatspolizei better remembered? So this was the
don't
official
remember.
name.
I thought
0.5 to Dua.
this name is so difficult to remember. How will he be remembered?
That's why we have a better version. Exactly why we have another version of this by which we call it.
Yeah.
1933 by Hermann Göring. How is the Geheim Staatspolizei? I can't pronounce German that well, but Geheim Staatspolizei.
ये
Better.
ये जो भी है ये गहम सात पुलिस जो भी है ये इसका ये है क्या?
जो तू बोल रहा है वही है एक्चुअली. तू अगर इसको प्रोनाउंस जैसे कर रहा है ना
Yeah.
आराम से नॉर्मल अंग्रेजी में, ये वही था जो तूने अभी जस्ट बोला. ये जो भी है Geheim State
If you
Police.
say it, yeah, you will get the answer if he
Staatspolizei.
tells you what it is.
सात पुलिस. एक मिनट.
सबके साथ पुलिस मिलके.
सबका
11
साथ.
मुल्कों की पुलिस डॉन को ढूंढ रही कुछ समथिंग.
They also had a Vikas police.
यार इससे ज्यादा हिंट तो हो भी नहीं सकती जितनी
जर्मन
tragedy है ना.
जर्मन पुलिस.
Not German. I'll go to Devaya.
Police.
What police? I'm going to Kanan now.
Is the Gestapo.
It is Gestapo or the German police force during
तो जर्मन पुलिस में बोला जर्मन पुलिस.
No, the notorious organization founded by Hitler, founded by Hermann Göring, but a Nazi police force for a
These
while.
great outfits. Their outfits were made by Hugo Boss, right? Isn't that there's some?
Hugo Boss did contribute to some of their whatever. And Gestapo is correct. Gestapo.
Yeah.
These are all famous Nazi organization. SS, Gestapo, and all that. 10 points to Kanan for getting Gestapo. Going
इक्का
to
दुक्का पॉइंट को जर्मन पुलिस का है. हेलो.
हमने लिखा हुआ है यार. Going
अरे यार वो मैंने खुद एक तो हिंदी में संधि विच्छेद करा सात पुलिस का पुलिस मैंने खुद करा मुझे समझ नहीं आया था देख के.
I'm going to Malika now. Malika, which atomic scientist, quoting from the Bhagavad Gita, said this? Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
I had a 5-minute joke on this.
After the first nuclear death in 1940, nuclear test in
I
1940.
know this.
Okay, so this is an atomic scientist, and he's like a big name in this world of atomic science or nuclear explosion, nuclear test. And when they first conducted the nuclear test, that iconic image of the first nuclear test, and this is supposed to be one of the things that he said. He quoted Bhagavad Gita and he said, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds."
Yeah, and I always thought like his friends were like, "ये बोलना था." We just saw mushroom cloud और तू भगवत गीता quotes लेके घूमता है. Like the rest of them would have said, "Wow," or "It works," and this guy is like, "Now I am become death, destroyer of world." And they would have been like,
0.5 to Kanan for the
"Bhai, we have all worked on this together, okay? You
crafting
have
visual.
become. We have become."
I think Kanan will just drop his Netflix special here and he'll just make 1.1 for every joke at the discourse.
This is ये इंडियन तो नहीं है.
Good track.
1945. Can I say two options, please, and then I'll tell you which one it is, which one I think it is.
But why?
Because you're giving everybody the other option.
Yeah, the next one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, which atomic scientist? देखो अगर कोई इंडियन होता तो तुमने इतनी बिग डील नहीं बनानी थी इसकी, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन नहीं बनाना था. तो ये इंडियन नहीं
Classic
है.
liberals.
Yeah.
Oppenheimer. No.
Beautiful.
That's
It is Robert Oppenheimer, and that is an image from the first nuclear test. Oppenheimer famously quoted Gita when this happened. Okay. 10 points to Malika, and now we reverse the order, which means I'll
I
go
was going to say Homi Bhabha though, but then I realized कि उन्होंने कुछ और किया था.
We are going reverse, so which means we are more than halfway through the quiz.
not sports.
Kanan, this is your question. By what name was social activist and former municipal officer Murlidhar Devdas better known? Okay. By what name was social? So he was a social activist and he was former municipal officer, but then became a social activist, very famous social activist. And his actual name was Murlidhar Devdas, but we call him by another name. What is the other name?
Bro.
Okay, 0.5 there. Because I gave Vaibhav Sethia a point because the South Indian is like, Anna. I have to be fair.
Oh man, I have no idea. Lala Lajpat Rai.
No. Going to Devaya now. Devaya.
So wild guess, Anna Hazare.
Not Anna Hazare. Rahul Dua.
फिर ठीक है मैं ये दो में कंफ्यूज था. बाबा आमटे.
Absolutely correct. It is Baba Amte. 10 points to Rahul Dua.
Man.
Baba Amte, the great
ये
activist.
हिंदी में पढ़ा था स्कूल में, हिंदी में.
हाँ, चैप्टर होता था इनके.
Baba Amte did a lot of work for leprosy, like people affected from leprosy.
रट्टा मारने का फायदा तो होता है देखो.
Baba Amte is correct.
Oh, you just asked me about cash crops in the temperate region, bro.
Giving 0.5 to Dua for bringing a tribute for Indian educational system. I'm going to Malika now because Rahul Dua got it and we are going reverse in fun and bounds. This is Malika's direct. Malika, bubonic and pneumonic are the two types of which deadly disease? Okay.
Plague?
Sorry, आपकी आवाज.
Plague?
Plague is correct, absolutely correct. Plague.
ये मैंने आपके पॉडकास्ट से सीखा था, आपके और बिस्वा वाले पॉडकास्ट से.
And thank you for that shout out to. I'm giving 0.5 to Dua for talking about two parts.
Points
Podcast in the Indian. 10 points to Malika. Beautiful answer. I go to Kanan now. In 1956, which American senator won a Pulitzer Prize for Literature for his book Profiles in Courage?
यार प्लेग वाला क्वेश्चन दे देते.
The first time in human
Pulitzer is the name of a type of what? Prize. I would have said.
It's the first time in human history someone has asked voluntarily for plague. You know, मुझे plague चाहिए.
मुझे प्लेग चाहिए यार, प्लेग दे दो, प्लेग चलेगा.
In 1956, so mid 1950s, that will give you an idea of timeline.
Okay.
He was an American senator. Senator won, of course, one of the most prestigious prizes, Pulitzer Prize for Literature, and the book was called Profiles in Courage. Which American senator are we talking about?
It's a senator.
Senator,
So,
senator in 1956, yes.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
oh, okay.
I'm going 0.5 to Dua for bringing a American politician into picture.
Cal Pen.
Okay.
Give me also.
5 to Malika for nationalistic side.
I'm just gonna guess. Is it Richard Nixon?
It's not Richard Nixon. Good track.
Okay.
Devaya?
Is it Kennedy.
It is John F. Kennedy. If not Nixon, then who? It is
बहुत बढ़िया एकदम मजा.
So
Nixon
much
then
guess.
was the vice president, but John F. Kennedy, he was a senator in 1950s. Then, of course, became president.
Of course, I thought it would be a twist question. Like people are like, "ये गधे ने book लिखी थी." I thought it would be like that type of.
And he wrote a book called Profiling Courage. This book is also basically just a biography of like famous Americans who did like courageous things.
And I would like to
Wikipedia.
point out a fun fact. In this picture, he is in profile.
Oh, okay. 1 point.
Right profile.
Yes.
Yeah, one point to Karan. That's very, very intelligent observation. I'm going to Rahul Dua now. This is an etymology question. Okay, which tree native to Africa was brought to India by the Arabs and derives its name from the Arabic for date of India? Okay, now I will explain a few things. Okay, ये पेड़ है वैसे तो अफ्रीका का नेटिव है बट इंडिया में पाया जाता है और मतलब कई 100 सालों से पाया जाता है तो ऐसा फॉरेन कंट्री पेड़ की तरह हम नहीं देखते. Okay, whenever Rahul is ready, we'll read the question once more. Which tree native to Africa but was brought to India by the Arabs and derives its name from the Arabic for date of India?
यार पता नहीं मुझे नहीं पता. Banyan tree.
Not banyan. Going to Malika.
Palm tree.
Not palm tree. Going to Kanan.
Tamar-e-Hind, tamarind.
Yeah, Tamr-e-Hind became tamarind. Date of India was Tamr-e-Hind. Tamr-e-Hind became tamarind. So it's the imli ka ped.
This is also from history lesson.
Yeah.
Tamr-e-Hind, tamarind. That is correct. So now going to Devaya. Devaya, which Indian city was briefly renamed Alinagar after its capture by Sirajud-Dowla from the British in 1756? So this is an Indian city which is not called Alinagar now, not called Alinagar before that also. In a brief period, and everything else is a clue. When Sirajud-Dowla captured it from British, he renamed it something named after his, I think it was his guru who was, or his uncle who was called Ali something, named the city after him. And then Sirajud-Dowla obviously lost 1 year later in Battle of Plassey, and then the British reclaimed the city. But it was briefly named Alinagar. So all these clues will lead you to one major city. What major city are we talking about? It's not one of those obscure small cities. This is a legit proper city in India.
Delhi.
Not Delhi. I'm going to Rahul.
I was going to say.
आंसर मुझे अभी भी नहीं आता पर मैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट गैस मारने की कोशिश करूंगा कि सिंस वो उस साइड से घुसे थे ईस्ट साइड से घुसे थे और 1757 के बाद उन्होंने शोर मचाना शुरू किया कि हाँ जी हम आ गए, हाँ जी हम आ गए
और घुसते ही लड़ाई करी होगी.
घुसते ही लड़ाई करी होगी. और आपने बोला था कि छोटा शहर नहीं है, कोई मेन एकदम बड़ा एकदम तगड़ा मेन शहर है, तो आप कोलकाता ले लो मेरा आंसर.
Absolutely, I'm so happy. All the
सिराज की बिरयानी होती है कोलकाता में इसलिए मुझे पता.
ये सब
That's also one way.
0.5
ये सब नहीं मुझे पता. So proud of logical reasoning.
Very logical.
Yeah, solid logical reasoning.
Okay, last few questions. I'm going to, this is Malika's direct. From India, we move to Africa. Okay. Who seized control of the Ugandan government from Milton Obote in 1971 and was finally driven into exile in Saudi Arabia in 1979? So basically, we are looking at a famous African figure from the 70s. He seized control of Uganda. Milton Obote is not really helpful here, but he was the previous one who this guy overthrew and then ruled Uganda for 8 years. And the rule is like very, very famous for a few reasons.
I mean, Idi Amin, I guess. I don't know.
Yes, of course. Every time you look at Uganda.
Yeah.
And you think of a despot.
Okay, next direct to Kanan. The AK-47 assault rifle is named after which Russian inventor?
It's obviously Akshay Kumar. 1947 is his date of birth. This is his email password.
1 point to Kanan.
It's Kalashnikov.
It is Kalashnikov, Mikhail Kalashnikov.
ये मुझे आता.
Mikhail Kalashnikov.
इमरान खान ने भी तो गाने में गाया था अखियान कलाशनिकोव. इसलिए मुझे पता है.
I love how you use pop culture to remember things. Like
Thanks,
if you ever went missing, no, the trail of clues would be like यहाँ पर एक बिरयानी का spoon, एक MP3 player पड़ा हुआ है.
मिली बीच बाजार में होगी.
I'm giving
Exactly.
1 point to Malika in case she missed it. For that
Thanks,
amazing
Katie.
Imran Khan reference.
And for bringing Imran Khan back from obscurity.
Yeah. This is for Devaya. Okay. The penny farthing invented by James Starley was the precursor to which modern day vehicle? Okay. So penny farthing is something. Obviously, if you know what penny farthing is, I can't explain because that is the answer. Uh, Invented by this guy called James Starley and was the precursor to which modern day vehicle? So penny farthing evolved to something, and that is the evolved form is something that we all see now. And it is a vehicle, so like mode of commute, or yeah.
Actually, penny farthing नाम की एक बिरयानी है. अहमदाबाद में मिलती है.
So auto
तो
rickshaw.
बहुत गैस होती है, तो उस penny farthing बोलते हो.
So not auto rickshaw, Dev. I'm going to Rahul now.
अच्छा.
Penny farthing.
Precursor to which modern day vehicle? No clue. Motorbike. Just
Not motorbike. Going to Malika.
मतलब आप penny दो तो it takes you to a far thing. So bus.
Oh man.
0.5 to Malika for that.
Metro भी तो अरे metro, Delhi metro.
Oh, metro. Is that your answer?
No, it's a bus.
Bus. Okay. Going to Kanan.
Is bicycle.
Bicycle is correct. This is a penny farthing, and this literally
Oh,
evolved.
इसका तो decor pop culture reference भी है ना, काफी decor websites पे आजकल बिकती है
Yeah.
wall decor.
I believe it or not, I think I haven't tallied the score, but Kanan won with this answer. Okay, which brings us to the end of the quiz. I'll just tally the score. Devaya gets 25.5. Devaya got 25 plus 0.5. Kanan got 66.5.
Okay.
I'll just
बढ़िया मुनीम जी तरह हिसाब लगा लेते हो बहुत जल्दी जल्दी है ना.
0.5 की वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. तो बहुत आसान काम होता था ये एक जमाने में. Malika got 54, 50 plus 4, very, very close to winning this semi-final. If just one question here and there would have just changed the game. Now to Rahul Dua. Rahul Dua got 35.
चलो.
Rahul Dua got 35. So which means the winner of the fourth semi-final is Kanan Gill with 66.5.
Woo!
But huge shout out for Malika Dua, who almost won the fourth semi-final, who entered this competition saying, "Mujhe to kuch nahi aata hai."
Yeah, and
Being a
really
fight.
smashed it.
Great stuff. Thank you so
Oh.
much to everyone who joined. There are more than a lot of participants there who were very active. And of course, you all had a great ride. Dave, Rahul, Malika, thank you for being part of this.
And how
Thank you,
excited.
Katie.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. KVOP in chat.
Bye.
KVOP.
Bye.